What's up, mother? This is Steven. I'm going to do an unboxing from a package from David Satora of Qdecks. I ordered a Q Mini, which is, I believe it's 28.5 millimeters. Way smaller than your average deck. This is what I'm riding now. It's about 33 millimeters. Short, stubby shape. Love riding it. It's a rat ply from Qdecks. He makes like really good boards, and yeah, so let's get to it. Already opened it to see if all the product was there, and it looked like there was a board in there. So here we go. Money shot. Oh, dude. That's pretty sick. First thing I saw was this. Like, what? What are those?
What are those? What are those?
Look at this middle ply of that. That looks so good. It says it's a 15 millimeter in here. Got some tape. Alright. Oh, he sent me some trucks and wheels. So sick. Stickers here. Qdecks. I'll put the link in to his big cartel in the description. He makes the sickest decks, dude. Q Mini. Oh my god, that's nice, dude. Oh, another amazing middle ply. It's a split middle. Looks like a light green, a dark green, and a red. Alright, I'll be right back and I'll set this shit up right now. Boom, mother. This is the setup. Looking suave as Look at that shit. Feels really good. So here's a couple clips that I will be filming with this board, and I'll give you a review on it in a sec. Alright, for a smaller board like this, skate's amazing. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. You can flip your tricks easier, a little bit harder to land because it's smaller, but you get used to that really fast. Easy to get used to this board, and it's a really good quality made board. The lacquer on it feels great. The split ply in the middle is a bonus. Like, it looks amazing. Alright. So that's my unboxing and review of this. I will put the link to his big cartel in my description of the video. If you can support him, buy these. These are really amazing boards. Alright, peace, mother.